you doing, guys? Today we are making carbonara. You will need 400 grams of 00 flour with a little pinch of salt. Make a well and then add 4 eggs because it's 100 grams of flour per person and 1 egg per person. Now start mixing the eggs. Adding a little bit of flour at a time. If it starts leaking like that and it's basically like a volcano, you can't stop it, just start using your hands. Start folding it over. Once the dough is forming, start kneading. Now it needs to be very firm because you will be putting it into the fridge later and it will soften up in the fridge. So the dough is formed and we are just giving it a final knead. We are going to be putting it into the fridge very soon. We're going to just try to get it into a ball. Now it's time to wrap the dough. So once wrapped, put it in the fridge for 10-20 minutes. Okay, we've got the dough out the fridge, we've cut it in half. Now we're going to give it a roll. Now you do need it thin enough to go through the rollers. So once it's rolled out to a nice size, put it into the roller. Now, you need to be on the maximum setting, so I think it's about 9. And just roll it through. Straighten the edges. Give it a flour. And then reduce the roller to level 8 and then put it back through. Reduce the roller and just keep doing this until you are number 1 on the roller. Just remember to keep flour in the dough so you don't want it to stick. Okay, we are on the final roll. It is looking perfect. Just give it another flour. Okay, it's time to start cutting the dough to the strips what you want for the carbonara. So we've got the attachment put on and the strips are getting cut perfect. Give it a good flour because you don't want it sticking together while it's sitting on the counter. So you want to grate 150 grams of pecorino using the small side of the grater. Add 2 eggs to a jug. Give it a whisk. Now add the cheese. And give it a good stir. Add black pepper to taste. In a cold frying pan, add 150 grams of pancetta with no oil and turn the heat to medium-low to allow the fat to render slowly, which helps achieve a crispier texture. Cook the pancetta, stirring occasionally until it's golden brown and crispy. Bring a large pan of salted water to a rolling boil and then add the pasta. Stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, your pasta should be done, so start adding it to the pancetta. And give it a good stir. Take the pan off the heat, add the cheese and egg mixture. So now we are cooking the egg and cheese. The hot pasta, even after being removed from the stove, still holds enough heat to solidify the egg, transforming it into a glossy, thickened sauce rather than scrambled egg. Now your tagliatelle carbonara is done. Now all you have to do is serve it up on plates. Add black pepper to taste. And now garnish with some pecorino. And there you go guys, one tagliatelle carbonara all ready to be eaten. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.